Okay, now we come to the advanced entry-level cameras, and we have the D5300, we have the D7500, and also I want to show you the D500, which is an amazing camera. But I'll start off with the D5300 because that is the best-selling camera, and it's got excellent features and affordable. Just about everybody can afford it, and it serves all the purpose. Show me the D5300, please. By the way, Naveen here is the most experienced salesman. How long have you been with me?
Many years.
Going back to about 20 years?
Yeah.
I won't be far wrong if I said that he was probably born in this job. He's very experienced. So as you can see that I've got all experienced staff.
Nice.
And it's nice to deal with them, it's nice to be with them, and they're a great part. Now this is the D5300, which again, like I said, is the advanced entry level. Beautiful camera all round. I think it's just about camera for anybody.
I really love
You like the screen, the articulated screen,
yeah,
huh?
I really love that.
Yeah.
I find it very useful. Nice. I love it.
What do you find good about this camera as far as your customers are concerned?
Okay, this one has an advantage. It has a Wi-Fi, reachable LCD.
Yeah.
It's very easy to share data
Okay.
with your mobile.
All right.
Nice.
Oh, good.
It takes 5 frames per second.
Uh-huh.
So that other features are here.
Okay.
You can put external mic.
Yeah.
There's a HDMI port.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see now on your TV.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Right. So, like I said, it's just about camera for anybody. I mean, it serves everybody. The other camera, yeah, the D7500. Now, this is the camera that, if I'm not mistaken, you have.
Yes, I do.
And I think you use this camera in Masai Mara for a lot of video work.
Yes.
Well, I don't need to show this to you because you're already familiar with
Yes,
it.
I am.
But what I want to tell you, I will show you later on the new mirrorless camera, which is the Z6. And maybe that is a camera for you next, because that is a super 4K video camera, professional video camera, I would say. In fact, it's highly recommended. But we'll talk more about it when we come to that.
Okay.
What I want to talk about now is the D500. Show me the D500, please. Now, these are all FX cameras, meaning that they have got the FX sensor, which is smaller sensor than the FX sensors. FX sensors are the ones which are used in the D750 and all. But this has got beautiful write-up. It's a compact, small camera, very, very fast, extremely sharp, and the sensor is so advanced, very high technology. Have a look.
Wow. And between this and the D750,
Yeah,
I like the lens.
yeah.
What would you recommend?
Well, the D750 is a full frame camera. This is a DX camera, but that really doesn't really matter so much because the clarity of this camera is absolutely amazing. Good thing about this is it's much lighter.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you're doing a lot of travel work, this is good. But on the whole, being a full frame camera, the D750 is my choice.
So it has two cards.
Yeah, it's got 2 slots. So, you know,
Just
you don't.
anything. Wow, I love it. Really
Good.
love it. Yeah, it's quite different here in the viewfinder.
Yeah, it's got a touch screen as well. See, it's got touch screen, articulated,
Very nice.
very compact.
I love it. Okay, so Mr. Mhajan, thank you so much. But I need to be going just now.
No. I just want to show you just few items. I won't take too much of your time. I know you want to travel back to Masai Mara, But before you go, surely you'll have time for a cup of tea or coffee.
Sure.
We'll just go across to the new stand, to the Sarovar stand there.
Okay.
And they do very nice cappuccino.
Nice.
But come over, I want to show you particularly the mirrorless cameras.